The Crab, the Swan, and the Snake. Long ago, a crab lived in a lake near a forest. Crab's best friend was a swan, which was living near the lake too. They were living happily in their places. One day, a snake came to live near the lake. My dear friend, since the arrival of the snake, my bad time has started. It is eating all my eggs. I cannot fight the snake. Please help me find out of a plan by which we get out with the snake, said the scared swan. There was also a mongoose living nearby. Dear friend, I have an idea. We will get some fish from the lake and throw them one by one from the snake's house to the mongoose house, suggested the crab. The crab and the swan caught some fish from the pond and scattered them from the snake's house to the mongoose house. Then they watched the movements of the mongoose from their respective houses. Mmm, smelly fish. Fish in front of my house, the mongoose said, licking his lips. The next moment, Mongoose started eating fish. Following the trail of fish, he reached the house of Snake. My enemy is here. I must kill it, the mongoose said to himself. A big fight broke out between the snake and the mongoose. The snake was killed. Now, the swan and the crab were happy. The next day, the mongoose came there for more snakes. But instead of snakes, he saw the swan egg. Mmm, there are some swan eggs. I like them very much. Now, I will come daily here for the eggs, said the mongoose. The swan and the crab became helpless. By their foolish action, they had invited a new enemy, which was more dangerous than the previous one. They were left with no option but to shift from their homes. They always remembered the lesson that the mongoose had taught them.